This tutorial guides you through customizing the site design styles within Picture Perfect's platform. You will learn how to select and preview different design options to personalize your single property website. Start at your dashboard. Click Edit Property. Click Site Design in the left-hand navigation. Click Select Design Style to view available design themes for your single property website. Here you will find many different options. Under each parent theme are multiple color options. This is Nova Blue. Click Nova Red to change the design style to this red-themed option. Astrid 1 is one of my go-to favorites. Click Astrid 1 Gold to apply this gold-themed design style to your site. Here you will see the main design elements in gold. Click Astrid 2 Red to switch to this red-themed design style option. Here's an example of Astrid 2 Red. As you can see, the options are almost limitless. Click Vega Cabernet to apply this Cabernet-themed design style to your site. Here's an example of the Vega Cabernet design style. As you can see, each selection offers its own unique layout and theme colors, making it easy to find a style that perfectly complements your branding. Click OK to save your design style selection. Click Open Preview to see how your new design style will appear on your single property website. Feel free to change the theme as often as you'd like. Your updates will appear instantly in real time. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to check out the rest of our helpful tutorials by visiting pictureperfectllc.com/howto. We're always adding new videos to help make your experience with Picture Perfect even easier.